Let me ask you a question. If you are to solve this question, are you one of those who will waste time solving it, or are you one of those who will solve it in less than 3 minutes? Let's see. So, how will you approach this? Let me know in the comments. How will you solve this question? For some people, they would start by saying 3 power 7. What is 3 power 7? 3 power 7 is 2187, then minus what is 3 power 6? That is 729, then all divided by 2. So 2187 minus 729 gives 1458, then divided by 2. And the answer is 729. This method is correct and it is perfectly okay. But then there can be a faster method or a more convenient method depending on who you are. For some of us, we don't like dealing with big numbers. So if you are like me and you don't like dealing with big numbers, then this is another method that you can use to solve it. So let's see this method. If you look at what we have, the numerator, you see 3 power 7 minus 3 power 6. So let's try and work on the power. So 3 power 7 is the same as 3 power 6, since the power of this is 6. So let's just bring 6, the power of 6 from the first one. So this is the same thing as 3 power 6, then 3 power 1, right? And then we have minus 3 power 6, then over 2. So now let's bring 3 power 6 out from both. So this becomes 3 power 6 bracket 3 power 1 is 3, and then we have minus. When we bring 3 power 6 out from here, it remains 1, then over 2. So now we'll be having 3 power 6 then times 3 minus 1 is 2, that's over 2. So the 2 here, we cancel out the 2 here and we'll be left with 3 power 6. So now we only have to deal with one power. We don't have to first find 3 power 7, then 3 power 6, then subtract big numbers, then do all those. Then we just say 3 power 6 and that gives 729. Yes, we get the same answer, but one seems faster than the other. So let me know in the comments, which method would you rather use? Would you rather maybe punch your calculator and find 3 power 7 minus 3 power 6, or would you rather simplify like this, use the power, simplify the power, and then subtract like this and get your answer without having to deal with big numbers? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.